presentation from the PPE department. So far, since I'm going to be actually doing the introduction for you guys, this group, we have about 6 people. Eric, which is here, John, him, Bhavisha, there, Shannon, Saheda, that's my mom also, and Shahed's myself. Anyway, so pharmaceutical plan. Actually, we're thinking which pharmaceutical plan we can take and describe. And then we decided that, we have all the facilities here, then why not we take that same pharmaceutical plan, each room, and describe in a manner that, actually we're working in a plan. So what we did is that we took our lab and we're working on that. We got some good information out of it, putting all the group guys together, and we did it. So basically these are the guys, and pharmaceutical plan is the one we have it, which we're going to do practical job in it. Now the second slide is that receptionist room. Is obviously when you enter, you have exactly the area, before you go anywhere to work, make sure you have your uniform on. So this is where all the procedures like witness and protections has to be on you guys. Everything's been explained here. Like how the PPE they were explaining, everything is here, what you're going to need before you enter into the plant. Because the plant is something you're going to be dealing with the chemicals, substance which can cause safety regarding, or anything can cause a cross-contamination with your product or can be dangerous to yourself. So the safety is always first. And this is what receptionist area is going to describe about what you have to be aware of it. Now the second step is that before you enter, this is the actually map we created on the Paint software, which is the easiest way to create your map. And what we have here is that different rooms where all the different types of practical job is being done on the medicines. Now, this is the entrance, this is the receptionist room, which we haven't described so far, and this is the hallway. Now when you enter, obviously it's not the same hallway that which we find normally like when we walk into any institute or company, anything like that. But it actually has to be facilitated exactly the way it's going to be maintained. Especially in the pharmaceutical area, this is the area where it should be more, this is the actually cleanest area. The most cleanest area in the whole pharmaceutical industries you're going to find is the hallway. Obviously studying in a high school, I don't think so the hallway was the cleanest. So this is something we find totally different in the pharmaceutical area.
And why is that so?
Why is that so? Because the kids are not cooperating with the law. And here you have to, if you don't SOP, you're out of it. So you gotta follow that. Then, the medicine process starts in a different manner, but here we have actually gone exactly how the room has been created. It's like a flow, that we're flowing in a way, and exactly how it should be. It's not like a zigzag that you're running, you're making your stuff here, and then you're walking all the way here. So we're actually moving in such a way that after you have your product here in quarantine area, we move to bulk, and from there, substance which you're going to need for your manufacturing goes to dispensing. From dispensing, the medicine goes here, 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 and then it comes to the final coating and encapsulation, which is here. Coating and encapsulation, and all that done here. Now these two departments, sanitation is totally different, which we're going to see is totally different department, which we don't do exactly what we have here. It's not even, the room fixture is totally different than what we have here. So we're going to have a hallway, we're going to enter in the hallway, we're going to explain the hallway, and then we're going to flow in this way, exactly the way we have it. So Shannon, can you explain the hallway?
Okay. Actually, as Shahil said, the hallway is the most cleanest part of the pharmaceutical company. I'll explain a bit. Most pharmaceutical company has installed a filter, like a HEPA filter. But some company cannot afford it, but most not. And then in a hallway, it is designed to be clean and free from blocking materials. Like there is no materials on the hallway. Should be built with appropriate materials like non-porous and washable walls. The switches should be recessed into the walls. The floor should be hard and chemically resistant. The temperature, humidity, heat, ventilation, air conditioning, and air should be controlled. The airflow levels in the hallway should be negative if the airflow level in the room should be positive or vice versa. It depends on the production. And the pressure in the hallway, like, it should depend on the production, and the hallway should not any more in there. Like, it should be like organized more than anything in the pharmaceutical room. Should be the first in the hallway. Thank you.
Now, what she said is main thing is that the hallway is so restricted that only those people are allowed to walk in. It is not something who's working here and can just walk inside and say hello to the person who's walking. This is cross-contamination every time because each room has a different procedure. If the room is something maintained in a positive manner, so the outside temperature has to be negative. So when you open the door, every time you're putting your outside temperature into your room. So make sure this has to be maintained and well. This is always safe and secure.
Compression room. This is the first room that you can see in the plant after you walk in the entrance. It's a little bit smaller than the usual plant. I think maximum of 3 persons can go in it. This is a compression machine. Some call it the tablet press because it presses the tablet to make its size and shape. And I think it will go out here. And there's a table here also, so you can put the tablets in order so that you can put it in order and see if your tablet is in good quality or not. The next room is wet screening. So this room is typically small also, like the compression room. We will go here after the wet mass room, and then you will get the granules. You will put the granules here on top, and then this thing will filter it so that you will produce the wet mass and the wet screen of it. And typically it has, the room has this machine only, nothing else. Wet massing. This is the largest, I think one of the largest room in our plant here. I think maximum of 6 to 8 persons can go in here. I think because of the 3 machines are in that room. This machine is called polydiagonal mixture. This one. And this one is high shear. And this one is a ribbon mixture. So basically that's it. And now Pravisha will introduce us the blending room.
Hi, I am today introducing the blending room. Why using the blending room? Blending is an area where proper proportion is a pharmaceutical ingredient in the done. Okay. This is blending room. This is the blending machine, and this is table. So all product put here and all equal amount and put in the machine. And it is critical to overall the blend product and quality and substituent efficiency of the dry component. And blending